The Hollywood Hills is a hilly neighborhood located in the central region of Los Angeles, California. It is known for its stunning views, luxurious homes, and close proximity to the entertainment industry. The neighborhood is situated in the southeastern Santa Monica Mountains and offers a picturesque setting with its rolling hills and scenic landscapes. The Hollywood Hills is home to many famous landmarks and attractions, including the iconic Hollywood sign, which stands as a symbol of the entertainment industry. The sign is perched on Mount Lee in Griffith Park and offers panoramic views of the surrounding area. The neighborhood is also renowned for its celebrity homes, with many movie stars, musicians, and industry professionals choosing to reside in the area. The homes in the Hollywood Hills often boast impressive architecture, expansive views, and privacy, making it a desirable place to live for those in the entertainment industry. In addition to its residential areas, the Hollywood Hills features several popular destinations and recreational spots. Griffith Observatory, located in Griffith Park, offers visitors the opportunity to explore the universe through its planetarium shows and telescopes. The park itself is a sprawling green space with hiking trails, picnic areas, and breathtaking views of the city. Another notable attraction in the Hollywood Hills is Runyon Canyon Park, a popular hiking spot known for its scenic trails and views of the city. It provides an escape from the urban hustle and bustle, allowing visitors to enjoy nature and get some exercise. The Hollywood Hills is also home to a vibrant nightlife scene, with trendy restaurants, bars, and clubs scattered throughout the neighborhood. Sunset Strip, a section of Sunset Boulevard that runs through the Hollywood Hills, is particularly famous for its nightlife offerings, including live music venues and renowned comedy clubs. Whether it's exploring the natural beauty, spotting celebrity homes, or enjoying the vibrant entertainment scene, the Hollywood Hills offers a unique blend of luxury, glamour, and outdoor recreation in the heart of Los Angeles.